Love is greater than faith. A testimony which I heard recently inspired me to take this message. A mother was saying, this is the time to get close to God, but people are getting away from God. Even going to attend the church also prohibited. Today's topic, Psalms 46 verse 1. Lord is our refuge and strength and very present help in trouble. Even though the earth be removed, mountains be carried into the midst of the sea, we would not fear. Sons of Korah wrote this psalm, whose fathers was punished by God because they are rebelled against the leadership. So the earth opened its mouth and devoured them. Contrary is that their son wrote this psalm. Sons of Korah says that though the earth be moved, the mountains carried into the midst of the sea, we will not fear. Let them ask, why you are not afraid of? They will reply like this, there is a river that flows for us. A saying like this, devil show our situation, God show our position. In the book of Songs of Solomon, Solomon asked to Shulamite, I am a lily in the valley, stay in good place, but you are like a lily among in the thrones. At that time, Shulamite replied to Solomon, according to your view, I am in the midst of thrones, but I am not in the midst of problems. I am under the shadow of Almighty. Sometimes they will try to teach this kind of topic. You are in the midst of problems, you are in the midst of diseases, you are in the midst of debts, like that. At that time, a believer should not nod his head and believe this kind of teaching. We replied like Shulamite, I am not in the midst of problems, I am in Christ. In Psalm 46, one verse repeated twice, 7th and 11th verse. Lord of the host is with us, the God of Jacob is our refuge. Throughout the Bible, we can see one thing. The man who do not have a good track record, they never called the God of Almighty or God of Abraham. They always called God of Jacob. First Chronicle chapter 4 verse 6, we can see one man, Jabez, whose mother named him Jabez because she bore him in pain. He prayed to the God of Jacob. We can ask, why you call out that name? Jabez would reply like this, Jacob is a person of cheating. He cheated his father and own brother, then went away from his family. But God blessed him and changed his name as Israel. So I prayed to him. In Genesis chapter 31 verse 29, Laban says to Jacob, it is my power to do you harm, but the God of your father spoke to me last night, saying, be careful that to speak to Jacob either good or bad. Dear, it's true, injustice is with Jacob, yet God is advocating him. If you think that God is not going to answer your prayers or would not perform deliverance in your life because you are dishonest in your personal life, don't worry. God of Israel will hear your prayer. God of Jacob is your refuge. In Psalm 46, one word repeated twice. In the 11th verse, the Lord of hosts. The phrase Lord of hosts repeated several times in the Bible. In Joshua chapter 5 verse 13, Joshua was in the midst of problems. At that time, Joshua saw a man stood in front of him with sword. Joshua asked to that person, are you here for us or our enemies? At that time, that man replied, I am the commander of the army of the Lord. Spiritual leaders, those who watching this message, if you think like that, I am not like a Moses who's fasting or dwell in the presence of God, I am not anointed. If you think like that, don't worry. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our refuge. In the 15th verse, we can see one word: be still and know that I am the Lord. In the ministry of Jesus faced one particular question several times: what shall we do for deliverance? Jesus replied as always, just believe. Yes, my beloved, just believed in the faithfulness of God. In the time of his pandemic, if you think like that, I am not good in the spiritual life, I am getting away from God. Psalms 46 says like this: our God is a present help in trouble. Devil always show our situation, God reveal our position. You are not in crisis, you are in Christ. Love is greater than faith.